Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So today I will also tell you about my open trade as well as what trades you can open in the near future to earn your money in the cryptocurrency market. So we are on the weekly chart. As expected, we arrived at a large seller area, and this zone starts from $27,700 to $37,040,000. A very important zone that has been a very strong support zone throughout the past rally, and we traded quite a lot there and stayed for a long time. Now we have come to the key zone that exists at the moment. This is where Bitcoin was pulled, and a very large amount of various liquidity has been accumulated here, and today we also overcame the $28,000 mark, which we could not overcome for a very long time. So now we have good reason to go higher and get into this range from $27,000 to $37,000. Yes, it can happen throughout a correction. We can correct for this huge weekly candlestick. So look at how much we have grown in 1 week. We are up about 30%. If I take last week when we fell to $19,000 and made a correction on which we bought, then we are up as much as 44%. And that is potentially those who watched my videos and followed my recommendations and also repeated my actions could earn up to 44% on the spot only on Bitcoin. On this channel I only talk about Bitcoin and where its price will go. So now come to the seller area, seller zone. Now let's look at the metrics and graphs. On the 4-hour time frame, I drew this parabola, practically didn't change this graphics so that you can see how well it all works out. The parabola may not break down, it doesn't always work out 99.9%, and the parabola didn't break down, it flew further up. So let's now draw another new parabola in the same way, which should also break down, but again, this may not happen. But we can grow further and further upwards with such steps. Something like a bull flag may form here. We can test it from above and go higher. But on the 4-hour time frame, the short-term target is fulfilled. The level of 1,618 is reached, which is $25,857. If you opened a position from $21,000 in the short term, this could be done. And congratulations to all those who took their profit. So now in general, RSI is in fairly large overbought condition. Also on RSI on the 4-hour time frame, we have a bearish divergence. Buying power goes down and price goes up. In fact, on the 4-hour time frame, we will still be able to see a correction, at least test this trend line, which we had formed quite a long time ago at several points. So on the test of this trend line, we can already talk about where the price will go in the short term. So the nearest zone that acts as support is $25,200 and $24,900. And the next two zones marked in green, these are zones in which the price can stop or slow down. So at the moment I have a long-term position open on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. Look at what a huge profit it's right now. You could also get such a profit if you were just subscribed to my channel. So it's absolutely free. Videos are released every day. Therefore, if you were signed, you could easily take profits. Congratulations to all those who followed the signals from the video and got their profit. I remind you that I trade on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange and on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange. So if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description, the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there's a spin like you will. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, Macy's autographed t-shirt, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description and get your bonuses. So we move on to the next charts. This is our daily chart. Again, we see a stretched Fibonacci grid. We see that the first target on the Fibonacci grid has been met by Bitcoin, and naturally this grid can already be pulled higher because the first goal was achieved. We're using the old grid. So if we stretch out grid even higher, we can see the nearest correction level. In general, in the near future, it would be quite logical to open long positions from $24,345 and $23,380. And they may of course be squeezed from $21,000, but one way or another, globally, we see this picture on the daily chart for this impulse, and this green impulse is a correction to this fall, so don't forget this. So this information may work out less likely, but nevertheless, we can see something like this movement. Anyway, in the long run, I'm looking forward to $30,000. So now we're looking at more fundamental daily chart, my long position, which I opened with you in my videos. Right now it's in huge profit. You have already seen it. We have reached the 0.618 level. We have reached it. This is our first goal. So congratulations, we hit our first target on a long-term loan. So far I haven't covered part of my position. Perhaps today I will close a small part of my position up to 10 or 20% at $28,688. Your stop loss to break even. One way or another, we came to a very important seller area, which I told you about. All these zones are not invented from my head. They are not drawn along the way. It was all drawn in the video. You can review my old videos and see how easy it's to trade with just one strategy in general, adding various metrics to your analysis that can be studied in the short term and can also be studied on longer term charts, but globally the same strategy really works. When our long-term price was $16,000 or $18,000, we were talking about the price going to $30,000 during the middle of the second quarter, which is what I told you. So now the first financial quarter is ending and the second quarter begins in April, just as we are approaching $30,000. By May, we may already be at $40,000, and then we can use the excellent proverb from the stock market, sell in May and go away. This suggests that in the summer, most often quite large funds go on vacation, many traders have a rest, and most often there is a collapse and corrective movements in the market because a lot of people are fixed and take profit in May. Therefore, until May, I predict in the region of $30,000-$40,000, which we can see, and perhaps there will be more. They can be squeezed up to $42,000. Our immediate target is $35,733, which I expect to see during the second fiscal quarter, and after that we can think about fixed income. So in general, many people are just now starting to fly into longs. Only now they are starting to think about what it would be good to buy Bitcoin right now. And we are already starting to think about when we will start unloading our positions and have already begun to do this with our long position. So this speaks volumes. When others think about how to buy them, we are already thinking how to sell this because we are already in huge profit, and this distinguished us from ordinary people who don't understand what they are doing in the cryptocurrency market. So this was a brief overview. I shared my expectations with you. Nothing in particular has changed. We don't trade for the short term, and in the long run, I told you that we are also aiming for $30,000 or $40,000. And I won't tell you what specific numbers, but in this range it will be quite correct to fix at least part of the profit from this big loan if you have one. So what do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching.